Hi, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. And today I am going to explain an important and interesting story about bears. Three bears. Okay. Curly Locks and three bears. Do you know the story of these three bears and Curly Locks? This is really a very interesting story. Open page number 104. Sorry, let me open and tell you. Sorry, page number 96. Page number 96. Everyone open page number 96. Pause the video, open the textbook. Here are very nice pictures. With the help of the pictures also you can understand better. Okay? Please open the textbook, page number 96. Pause the video, open the video, then you can play the video. That is very important. Okay? I am going to write the name. What is the name of the lesson? Curly. Curly hair, you know curly hair? Her name is Curly Locks. Curly, Curly, Locks. Locks. Curly Locks and the three bears. And the, how many bears? Three. B-E-A-R-S. Bears. Curly Locks and three bears. Bears in Telugu elugu bantu. I think so. Curly Locks. I am going to tell you a story of a girl. What's her name? Curly Locks. Curly Locks and three bears. I am going to explain about Curly Locks. Curly Locks is the name of a girl. Curly, Curly Locks. Her hair is so curly. Her hair is so curly. That's why her name is called Curly Locks. ఒక్కొక్కసారి మనల్ని చూసి కూడా మన పేరు పెట్టారు. కొంతమంది క్యూట్గా ఉంటే క్యూటీ, కొంతమంది స్వీట్గా ఉంటే స్వీటీ కదా, కొంతమంది ఇంకా అందంగా ఉంటే బ్యూటీ అలా కూడా పెడతారు కొంతమంది. That's why her hair is so curly. Her name is called as Curly Locks. Okay. What happened? What is the story of Curly Locks? Are you ready to learn? Curly Locks. Once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Curly Locks. One day she went into the forest near her house. One day where she went? She went into the forest. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది? F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. She went into the forest near her house. Nowadays we don't have forest near our houses. But before days, there were like a few houses and forest. It was like that at that time. But nowadays we don't see the forest, at least once in a while also, correct? But at that time there was a forest near her house. She went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage. What she saw? A cottage. That means cottage అంటే ఎలా చెప్పాలి, ఒక nice house with the wood. You can take it like that. Okay. Cottage. Is anybody in? She asked. ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా లోపల అని అడిగింది. There was nobody. The bear family lived inside the cottage. Who lived inside the cottage? Khwaja Fakhruddin lives inside the cottage. Srinija, Fatima. Then who lives inside the cottage? Bear family lived inside the cottage. They had gone for a walk. But bear family is not inside. Where are they? Bear family, they had gone for a walk. Curly Locks went in. She wanted to see who lived there. She saw 3 bowls of porridge. Porridge means ganji. మీకు గంజి తెలుసా? గంజి, soup. She saw 3 bowls of porridge. What she saw? Who saw Curly Locks? Where did she go? She went into the forest. There is a table. What she saw in the cottage? She went into the cottage, and Bear family lived in that cottage. But they are not there. They went for a walk. తను ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది? ఫారెస్ట్లోకి వెళ్ళింది. ఫారెస్ట్లో కాటేజ్లోకి వెళ్ళింది, కానీ లోపల ఎవరు లేరు. కానీ ఎవరు ఉంటారు? Bear family. Bear family lived in that cottage. And on the table, 3 bowls. Big one, middle one, small one. Porridge is inside. Porridge means I told you na, ganji. దాని లోపల ఏముంది? గంజి. How it is? ఒకటేమో పెద్దది. One is very big, one is medium size, one is very small. It is like that, okay? Big one, middle size, small size. She saw 3 bowls. She saw 3 bowls of the porridge on the table. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear, Papa Bear. Big bowl for Papa Bear. Middle size for Mama. You say Mama, no? Mama Bear. And very for Baby Bear, B-A-B-Y, Baby Bear. Okay. Big size bowl for father, Papa Bear. Middle size for Mama Bear. Small size for Baby Bear. Okay. Curly Locks was so hungry. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. First of all, she was very hungry. If we feel very hungry, we want to eat more food. Na? That's why she was very hungry. She wanted to start the food from this bowl. How was the food? The food from this bowl, the big bowl, is very hot. Papa Bear's bowl is very hot porridge. She ate from the middle size bowl. It was too cool. She ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. See, from the Papa Bear's bowl, it was very hot. From Mama Bear's bowl, it is very cool. From the little Baby Bear's bowl, it is just correct. It is not very hot, it is not very cool. It is just right. If it is very hot, our tongue will get fired, right? Will burn. ఎక్కువ వేడిగా ఉన్నా నాలుగు కాలిద్ది, ఎక్కువ చల్లగా ఉన్నా మన పళ్ళు జుమ్ అంటాయి కదా. బట్ బేబీ బేర్స్ బౌల్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ వెరీ హాట్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ వెరీ కూల్. It is correct. She ate from the middle size bowl. It is too cool. Okay. Next, Curly Locks ate up all the porridge. She was very hungry and she ate these 3 bowls porridge very nicely. బాగా తినేసింది, బాగా ఆకలిగా ఉంది, 3 మొత్తం తినేసింది. She ate everything because she was feeling very hungry. She ate. After eating, how do we feel? If we eat so much, how do we feel? We feel sleepy. Then she went into the bedroom. She feels sleepy, then she went into the bedroom. In bedroom also there was a big bed for Papa Bear, middle size bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny bed for Baby Bear. How many beds are there? 3. Big size bed for Papa Bear, middle size bed for Mama Bear, little small bed for Baby Bear. The big bed was very big. The big bed was hard. The middle size bed was too soft. The tiny little bed was just right. Actually, Papa Bear's bed is very hard. Mama Bear's bed very smooth. She can sleep very nicely. She tested all the beds. First of all, she slept on the Papa Bear's bed. First Papa Bear's bed మీద పడుకుంది. It is very hard. Then she went to the Mama Bear's bed. It was very soft. And next, at last, she went to tiny little baby bear's bed. It is just right. Curly Locks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. బాగా తినింది కదా, she ate fully na. Now she is feeling asleep and she slept very nicely in baby bear's bed. The bear family came back. Arre, bear family వచ్చేసారు, came back. Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Somebody ate my porridge in gruff. Gruff means ఇలాగ ఉంటుంది కదా. That means you have to imagine how the bear's voice is. Papa Bear kada, he shouted. First of all, after the walk, they will take that soup, that porridge. Okay? He came and he saw in the bowls. No soup was there because why? Why soup is not there in the bowls? Soup ఎందుకు లేదు? Because Curly Locks ate drank all the porridge. Okay? Porridge and soup and okate nana. Okay? Shouted Papa Bear. Papa Bear ఎందుకు shout చేశాడు? Why he was shouted? Because there was nothing, empty bowl. That's why he shouted. Somebody ate my porridge too, Mama Bear. Somebody finished all my porridge, Baby Bear, in the tiny little voice. The bear family went to the bedroom. Somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear. Somebody slept in my bed too, said the Mama Bear. Somebody is sleeping in my bed, said the Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. ఎవరు నా బెడ్ మీద పడుకున్నారు? Somebody slept in my bed, said Papa Bear. Next, Mama Bear also. Somebody slept in my bed also, Mama Bear. And little one said, somebody is sleeping now. See, little one, the small one. Little voice. Curly Locks woke up. She saw 3 bears. She woke up suddenly and she saw 3 bears. And what she did? She jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. వాళ్ళని చూడంగానే ఇంకా మంచం దిగి పరిగెత్తింది. She ran very fast. చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా పరిగెత్తింది. That is the story of this lesson. Curly Locks and 3 bears. How is it? Is it good? 1 second. Okay. How is the story? Now I am going to read out the story. మీకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ రీడింగ్ కూడా రావాలి, అందుకని నేను చదువుతూ ఉంటాను. యూ కీప్ యువర్ ఫింగర్ ఇన్ యువర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ ఆమ్ రీడింగ్, వెర్ ఎవర్ ఐ ఆమ్ రీడింగ్, జస్ట్ కీప్ యువర్ ఫింగర్ ఓవర్ దేర్. ఓకే. Curly Locks and the 3 bears. Once there was a girl with a curly hair. Her name was Curly Locks. One day she went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage. Is anyone in? She asked. There was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. Curly Locks went in. She wanted to see who lived there. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. Curly Locks was hungry. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. It was very hot. She ate from the middle-sized bowl. It was too cold. She ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Curly Locks ate up all the porridge. Then she went into the bedroom. There was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for Baby Bear. The big bed was very hard. The middle-sized bed was too soft, but the tiny little bed was just right. Curly Locks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. The bear family came back. Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Somebody ate my porridge too, said Mama Bear. Somebody finished all my porridge, said the Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Tiny means small. The bear family went to the bedroom. Somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. Somebody is sleeping in my bed, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Curly Locks woke up. She saw the three bears. She jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. This story ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చిందమ్మా? This story is adopted from Goldilocks and Three Bears. It is Goldilocks and Three Bears. It has taken from ఈ లెసన్, ఈ స్టోరీ దేని నుంచి తీసుకున్నారు? Goldilocks and Three Bears. Okay na? Did you like the story? How is the story? Okay, fine. I hope you all have enjoyed the story, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Google Meet, and I am going to ask you so many questions in the Google Meet. Get ready. And one more thing, from October 12 onwards, your exams are going to start. Understand? That's why I have stopped the revision and started the lesson. I don't want to waste my time. Already more than half of the syllabus revision is completed, correct? Up to unit 1 to unit 3 revision is done, and now I am going to continue these lessons, and from October 2nd or 3rd onwards I will start revision again. That means we will continue the revision, not start. We will continue. Unit 5 also almost revision is done, oral test conducted, and only unit 4 is left. That we will do it, no problem. And what else? What I have to tell you? That's what. Today I kept this video, and tomorrow as usual CW. You have to get ready with the CW. Please don't put any incomplete. Please. If you want to put incomplete also, take my permission. Then you will not delay your work. Okay? Please. Why I am asking you is, if you don't do the work today, it will be burden for you for the next time. Understand? To complete all the work. That's why try to complete the work that day itself. Understand? I hope you understand. Okay? Thank you all. Bye bye. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Google Meet, and get ready. Please don't tell me no doubt, no doubt, no doubt. That means you have understood everything what I taught you. You try to start reading textbook. That's very good habit. In exam you will not get everything from CW. Read the textbook. I make you something of own. That means from the textbook also. Understand? You should not tell me that, ma'am, this is not there, that is not there. No, you should not complain, because I make you from the textbook also. You should have a habit of reading textbook in your free times, at least on Sundays. Parents, please take care. On Sundays they should read at least one paragraph every Sunday. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the Google Meet. Bye bye.